So a lot of you had asked me the recipe for this pull-apart dinner rolls, and this is really special. You can make it anytime you have gatherings or just simply you want to make bread. This is good for either making some rolls or, Parmesan pull-apart rolls. You can sprinkle a little bit Parmesan on top and sprinkle some parsley, and that's what we're gonna do today. Especially holiday season, this goes so well with any of your main dishes. So I'm pretty sure that your family and friends are going to enjoy this dinner roll. So let's go ahead and make it. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of flour, sugar, yeast, use a whisk. Keep whisking until all incorporated. Add warm milk and then continue mixing until the mixture is smooth. Now you're going to use the hook attachment. Turn the mixer to low speed and gradually add the rest of the flour. You're also going to add salt, eggs. Now scrape the sides. Now add the butter and then turn the speed to medium high and keep scraping the sides to make sure that the ingredients are all incorporated. You're going to need the dough for about 10-12 minutes. Add a little bit of oil to prevent them from sticking. Once the dough comes together, then you're going to grease a bowl and then you're going to add the dough. Now you see this window pane. Your dough is ready. Now place them in the bowl and then add a little bit of olive oil. Rub it on top so that it won't stick onto the plastic wrap, and then rest the dough for about an hour or until it doubles the size. For the meantime, prepare the pan, grease it, and line it with parchment paper. Once the dough is done, now punch it to remove the air bubbles, and then dust the surface with flour and work the dough. Work half of the dough first. Cut it in half, and then the other half you'll put it in a bowl and cover it to prevent it from drying. Now the other half that you're going to work first, divide it into equal parts, about 8 pieces. And then we're going to roll them and form them into smaller rolls. You're going to pull the sides and tuck them in, and then seam side down. Then you're going to roll them counterclockwise and put them in the prepared pan. And now rest them again for about 45 minutes. And then you're going to make the egg wash, and once they're ready, you brush them with the egg wash, and you're going to bake them at 375 for about 20-30 minutes. Once they're done, brush them with melted butter, sprinkle the Parmesan cheese and also some parsley. All right, my lovelies, get what you need and start making these dinner rolls. I'm pretty sure that your guests will love this and will always ask for more. So if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day and have a nice holiday. Bye for now.